Welcome back to my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to create a meet on Jitsi. So guys, if you want to create a meeting and video conferencing for more security, so guys, you use Jitsi. It is free. So for this guys, first of all, you simply go and search for Jitsi on your browser. After that, simply move download and click the option of downloads. In the download section, it is available on for the App Store, Google Play Store and Android. So mobile application. But now here you see the easiest way to get start with your Jitsi is start a meeting on your free. So simply go and click the option of Jitsi Meet online. After that, here is if any upcoming meetings you have, so you connect your calendar and here it shows your recent meeting. But if you want to create your own meeting, so simply click the option of reset, and if you want to change your camera, so you just allow all of these things. Okay, so turn off the camera, and here is my mic, and here you enter your name and you just join the meeting. So this is the way that you can do. So guys, thank you and have a nice day, and guys, subscribe our YouTube channel for the further information. I hope this video is very helpful for you.